Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The slippery sheet bend knot. This knot is tied the same as the regular sheet bend knot, except it has a bite in the rope end before it passes under to complete the knot. This knot will hold without slipping and can be completely untied by pulling the free end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.